The first parts of the Israeli-made Spyder, surface-to-air Python and Derby, land-based air defense missile system have arrived in the Czech Republic at the Military Technical Institute, V2. This delivery is based on a contract between the Czech Republic and Israel's Rafael advanced defense systems on September 27, 2021, worth around $627 million. This procurement is an effort by the Czech military to replace the outdated Soviet Union-designed 2K-12 Cub, NATO Code SA-6 Gainful air defense system. It is stated that the Czech Republic will receive 4 Spyder batteries between 2024 and 2026, each consisting of 9 to 10 vehicles. This battery will be used by the 251st Air Defense Missile Battalion. Each battery will be equipped with a 3D radar, fire command and control system, and 4 launchers. The Czech defense industry will play an important role in the project by contributing more than 30% of the program value through local suppliers such as Risha and the Military Technical Institute. The Spyder air defense missile system is a versatile and advanced solution designed to provide effective defense against a wide range of air threats, including aircraft, helicopters and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The system is available in several versions, each tailored for different operational needs and threat environments. The Spyder-SR, short-range, version has a range of up to 15 kilometers and can engage targets at altitudes of up to 9 kilometers. This version uses the Python 5 and Derby missiles, which offer fast reaction and rapid deployment capabilities to effectively engage short-range threats. The Spyder-MR, medium-range, version extends the defense range with a range of up to 35 kilometers and an altitude range of up to 16 kilometers. This version also uses the Python 5 and Derby missiles, but is equipped with an advanced radar system and offers higher mobility compared to the SR version, making it suitable for a wider range of defense needs.